everyone, ArtworxLegacy here. So today I'm going to be making and showing you all a tutorial for makeup, a makeup look that I like to sport every now and then. And it's basically just a good base, filled in brows, blue eyeshadows, mascara, liquid liner on the top lash line, black eyeshadow on the lower lash line smudged out, pink cheeks with more of a darker pink, red lips, highlight on the nose and cheeks, maybe a little bit on the chin, and about, I want to say, a little bit of water that will be used on the brush to spread out the eyeshadow. So I hope that you guys enjoy the tutorial, and if you want to sport this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so now the first thing that you want to use is the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Concealer. So I'm just going to apply this all over my dark circles. You make me want to fall in love, you. Now, use a sponge. Today I'm using a Velvet Micro Sponge that gives an airbrush finish. I already have it dampened. Just blend it out. It's all or nothing, I know. Getting lost in... Okay, so now the next thing that you're going to do is put on your foundation. So the foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. As you can see, I'm running out. I need to buy a new one soon and hopefully get a better shade match, or at least buy a couple and mix them. That way I can get a perfect shade match, because my skin is tan, but it's not too light, not too dark, somewhere in between. So this is what I'm going to be using today, and you simply want to apply it to your face. In your blue skies, all my senses come alive. Every second amplified tonight. Gonna be sublime. Okay, so my foundation is on, and then you're gonna wanna apply the powder afterwards, and I'm gonna set my whole face with this. This is the Physicians Formula powder. It's in the color Buff Beige, and it is it's not a translucent powder. It's a powder that will set your foundation, and it'll also mattify the skin, and then it'll also make sure that your foundation doesn't move around, because the foundation is liquid foundation. So then this powder is going to cover all that up. I'm so sublime. Feel your love all over me. Can't stop thinking we could be sublime. Okay, so now that the base is done, we apply concealer, foundation, all over our neck and everything else to blend in. Powder everywhere to mattify the skin and to blend it in with the neck. Now we're going to be doing our brows. So what I do to fill in my brows is very simple. I don't use a brow pencil. I don't use a spoolie because I don't have one. If I had a spoolie or whatever it's called, those little brushes for your eyebrows, I would brush my eyebrows, but I can't really because I don't have one. So I just fill it in with an eyeshadow, and what I do is I get an eyeshadow brush like this. See? It's a detailed brow brush, and I get a dark eyeshadow because I have black hair. So because of my black hair, I want my eyebrows to be black. So versus if I were blonde, they'd be a lighter color. If I had brown hair, they'd be brown. If I had red hair, they'd be like a reddish, orangish, dark color, like a dark red of some sort. But since I have black hair, I'm going to be using the MAC eyeshadows, and I'm going to be using this color right here. This is a black shimmer, so we don't want to put that on our brows because then it's going to make them sparkly. We don't want sparkly eyebrows. We want filled in eyebrows. So my eyebrows they tend to go straight, then point down. And this one has more hair, this one has less hair. I need to get my eyebrows done sometime, but what we want to do is you want to take the brush, you want to dip it in here, and simply just fill it in. I'm sublime. Feel, I feel you over in my veins, surreal. So the brows are done. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to apply eyeshadow. So the look that we're going to be doing today is with the NYX Ultimate Professional Makeup Shadow Palette in the color Brights. I love this palette. It's got so many bright colors. And the bright colors are very pigmented. They're not like, I want to say, where the eyeshadow breaks up when you put it on and there's fallout. But there's a little bit of fallout for certain shadows. But these are very bright and they're very nice. And today we're going to be applying blue eyeshadow to match our blue glam shirt. So we're going to be using two blue eyeshadows. I'll share the colors we're using. The only two bluish eyeshadows they have, there's mints, there's greens, yellows, orange, red, purple, pink, you name it, orange. So we're going to be using this color and this color. We're going to want to put this color all over our lid and put this color in the inner corner. And then maybe if we wanted, we could even put a brown eyeshadow on the outer corner just to darken things up with blues and browns, because that matches, again, our clothing, and we want our makeup to match our clothing because it's more fun that way. So what you're going to want to use is a eyeshadow brush, and the eyeshadow brushes that I'm using are from Mary Kay, and the eyeshadow brush that I'm using are these two, just your simple eyeshadow brushes, as you can see, by Mary Kay, just to pack on the color. And then when it comes to the lower lash line, we're going to be using the darkest color, which is the black, and that's going to be on the lower lash line. And so that's it for eyeshadow, just the blues, the browns, the blacks. So we're going to do the top lid first and do the bottom lower lash line last for the eyeshadow. So what you're going to want to do is just, in fact, I just use my finger to put on the base. And then when it comes to the other colors, I might use an eyeshadow brush. I might use my fingers. But when you use your fingers, you can pack on the color better. And you can actually get more control over it. So we're going to want to use, like I said, this. And just apply it with a mirror. You're breaking through my chains, getting lost in your blue skies. All my senses come alive, every second amplified. So now we're going to want to do the same thing, but with our other eye. Go ahead and wash my hands. Gonna be sublime, so sublime. Okay, so the eyeshadow is done, and it's basically a blue base with a light color in the inner corner of blue, a brown eyeshadow, and yeah. So the base is done, eyebrows is done, eyeshadow on top lid is done. Now we need to add the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, and that's simply going to be black. So it matches my hair color if you have black hair, so it's nice to wear solid colors and clean makeup that matches your hair color, matches your nail color, matches your shirt color, and other things like that. This brush, it's like it's called it just says flower on the brush, and I use this for smudging out the lower lash line. Go ahead and dip it in here, the black eyeshadow in here, spritz it up a little bit with a little bit of water. Just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to do this off camera. As you can see, we applied eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And now what I'm also going to do off camera is do my eyeliner, since that takes a lot of precision. So the eyeliner that I'm using today is the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. And I'm going to create a wing this time. Usually with my other eyeshadow look with eyeliner with the previous one I did, my very first beauty tutorial, I don't wing it, but this time I'm going to wing it out. And if I make a mistake, I'm going to have to take it off and then reapply the eyeshadow. But I hope and I pray that I can do both eyes in one go. Okay, so now that I've applied my eyeliner off camera, the next thing I'm going to want to do is apply mascara. Then I'm going to apply blush, highlighter, and then a lipstick. But before I add the lipstick, I want to exfoliate my lips with a wet towel, add lip balm, and then add the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. I got this in the mini bundle, the Equality set. And this is in the color Red Rum. So I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara off camera. Okay, so I applied mascara, so the last thing I need to do is apply highlight, blush, lip balm and a lipstick. I'll apply the liquid lipstick off camera as well as lip balm, but I will do on camera the highlight and the blush. So we're gonna do highlight first, no, blush first, then highlight. So for blush, it's very simple. Just take a blush brush, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Color Harmony Pink Play Rose Ledique blush palette, and I'm going to be using the darkest color, which is this one right here, because we already have blue eyeshadow on, so we don't want too much blue, pink, then red, so we're going to do like a dark pink. So that's this pink right here, and we're going to apply it. Getting so high it's celestial, never come down to terrestrial. Okay. Now, I'm going to be applying the highlight. I'm just going to take, oops, my bad. I'm just going to take this bright white color here and apply it on my nose bridge, tip of my nose, cheeks, cupid's bow, and chin. And that's it. Oh, and forehead. So we're going to dip it in. When you speak every decibel, vulnerable but invincible. So now I just need to do lip balm and lipstick. Well, everyone, that is my finished tutorial. I did a good base, brows, eyeshadow on the top, the lid on here, lower lash line, eyeshadow, highlight, blush, highlight. And if you really wanted to, you could even add a highlight into your inner corners and on your brow bone. But I like the minimalistic look that with still having quite a bit of heavy work on the lid with the eyeshadows, with the blues and the brown and the black eyeliner. So if you want, you can, like I said, add highlighter in the inner corner and other things, but this is how I like the look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. You're amazing. You're strong. You got this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.